Digital nomads often feel smarter than the average population. I've made poor investing decisions thinking that I was more intelligent than everybody. I got liquidated to zero. I've also made good investing decisions that in a month paid me for 3 years of full-time traveling. Losing in the volatile crypto market is so easy. It happens overnight. You wake up in the morning and your money is gone. Here's what I learned reading and talking to smarter people than me on investing. 5 lessons that can save you a few dozens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. In this video, you will learn why do you need assets? Is Bitcoin and crypto really the best option? The 3 common mistakes digital nomads make investing on crypto. Where I would not invest $2,000, $10,000, $100,000 as a perpetual traveler. How to invest your passive income or salary as a digital nomad. What taxes does a digital nomad or perpetual traveler pay on their investments, and how you can pay 0% taxes on crypto. And juicy results, what you can make in crypto. Proof, show me proof. I want to see proof. If you are a digital nomad or perpetual traveler and don't know how to invest your money, or you think you can optimize your portfolio, you're on the right spot. Watch until the end and I will show you some of the results you can get investing the smart way. First of all, why do you need assets? Investing and owning assets will allow you to be free and not depend on your active hours working to keep enjoying this nomadic lifestyle. If you want to make money while you sleep, you need assets. The average digital nomad has money sitting idle on their bank account, on their payment processor. If you don't invest, your money is losing value
every single month.
Digital nomads say they want freedom, but if you depend 100% on your active hours to keep making money, that's being a slave. How to invest your passive income or salary as a digital nomad? Attention, I'm not your financial advisor. In a second, you'll know why I differentiate and I repeat all the time. As a digital nomad, as a perpetual traveler, there's an advantage to that. But first, why investing in crypto as a digital nomad, as a perpetual traveler, somebody that constantly explores the world full-time? Crypto, whether it's Bitcoin or any other currency on the blockchain, solves an immense pain for us, accepting payments in a universal currency. Solving the exchanges, borders, banking issues. It also has another upside. Bitcoin has been the best performing asset of the decade. But all this good news can lead to bankruptcy. Can lead you to bankruptcy. Why? Because digital nomads have biases. 1. I'm a digital nomad. I know how the online world, websites work. 2. I'm a digital nomad. I know how to profit from online activities. 3. I'm a digital nomad and I think the old banking system is just a pain in the back. These 3 biases can lead to overexposure or negligence of risk. The 3 common mistakes digital nomads make investing in crypto. Digital nomads are easily influenced because they are exposed to social media and they can get bombarded by bullish sentiment on the crypto space. Digital nomads are early adopters. Probably you as well are somebody that likes to innovate, that likes to be in the vanguard. Sometimes this can lead to not taking the time to assess and do risk management. Digital nomads are risk takers and sometimes overconfident, too bullish on the crypto projections. To the moon, when Lambo, woo! Add to that, no entry point analysis, no price target, no time horizon, even no previous in-depth study of the asset or crypto project. I know what I'm talking about because I lost thousands of thousands of dollars making these mistakes myself. So if you got liquidated or lost money or didn't sell and were too greedy, you are not alone. I've also tested different investing approaches, strategies with small sub accounts and I got liquidated. Also realize that the simplest, most minimalist, long-term, automated strategy is, you will see the results of this well applied at the end with the screenshots. Crazy, absolutely mind-blowing. Miguel, besides crypto, where else would you invest? Well, first, where I would not invest anywhere from $2,000 to $100,000 as a perpetual traveler. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that drinks tea on a glass on the internet, and I'm gonna tell you what I do with my money. When it comes to bling bling, I don't trust governments, I don't trust countries, and I don't trust people. They are all easily influenced, corrupted, manipulated by money. I don't invest in the stock market because it is easy, manipulable, and opaque. I don't invest in real estate. A war can start and your property can be affected. Taxes or laws in that country can change in a year and no longer make it a wise investment. Natural disasters, delinquency in the neighborhood, bad news can pop up at any moment and depreciate your home, your asset. And it is a liquid, is non-fungible. Therefore, I might have my funds frozen until I can sell it. And I don't invest in gold, silver, precious metals, because I depend on a third party, a bank, a safe, to store it for me. The metals reside in a country, and what if they close the borders and don't allow me or don't allow travelers to enter for some time or for a long time? They are difficult to transport, and my subconscious doesn't want to make more money because I foresee the problems that I will have with each extra kilo of gold that I have. Like, this leaves me with a clear favorite winner, crypto. Now, where would I invest $2,000, $10,000, $100,000 right now as a digital nomad, perpetual traveler, or online entrepreneur? Attention, I'm not your financial advisor. If I had $2,000, I would invest it in crypto. If I had $10,000, I would invest it in crypto. And if I had $100,000, I would invest it in T-fields. No, I would invest it in crypto as well. I put my money where my mouth is. At the time of shooting, 95% of my net worth is in crypto. Why? Two reasons. One, because I learned how to profitably, after all this time and all this learning curve, how to profitably invest in crypto in a scientifically proven and automated way. More on that at the end. You know, buy low, hodl, sell higher has been and still is a very, very profitable way of investing in crypto for digital nomads, perpetual travelers, and online entrepreneurs that want to have sovereignty over their assets. They can have it in a USB, in a cold wallet. And two, what taxes do digital nomads pay on crypto? You can pay zero. It's so easy to pay 0% in taxes in crypto. In many countries, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are tax-free when you have it in exchanges, when you exchange it for other cryptocurrencies, when you go fiat to crypto, crypto to fiat, capital gains. And when you combine that with being a digital nomad, a perpetual traveler that has a tax residency in a tax-free country, or territorial tax country, you don't have to pay taxes on crypto. You can do whatever you want, you are free, and you can keep all the profits. I explained this in the Protecting Your Assets and Tax Optimization chapter in my book, Travel Without Working. You can check it down below. This is a massive, almost unfair advantage for digital nomads. Think about it, if you spend less than 183 days in any country per natural year, getting to less than 3% taxes or even 0% taxes is so easy. It's so easy. This part is what's called the flag theory. Think about it like this. Each country is like a company, and some of them have sweeter deals that you can sign up for and save money in taxes, and everybody's happy. Here I list some examples of currently, I don't know in 10 years, but currently tax havens or ways to avoid paying taxes legally. Become a tax resident in Cyprus, Europe, Paraguay, in South America, Dubai, in the Middle East, Wyoming and Delaware LLCs in the US, Estonian companies, E-RESIDENCY. These are just a few examples because each year countries change regulations and change their programs. For an updated version, Google search tax-free countries, tax-free programs for digital nomads, and you will get an idea. You can also save time and check it out in a curated way in the part 3 of my book, Protecting where I talk about tax optimization the extraordinary nomad way. You've done your research. The next step is having a consultation with an attorney, an immigration firm, a tax optimization expert, because they will help you in a more tailored way. Most of them offer free consultations of your case, and then if you are a fit, you hire their services. I would definitely never ever do this on your own, because many things can go wrong and it can be just a headache. So just go with people that it's their job and they are great doing this. They know how to do it. Let's recap. How to invest as a digital nomad. Where to invest from $2,000 to $100,000 as a perpetual traveler. 1. Do your own research and invest in your favorite assets. 2. If you invest in crypto, study the fundamentals first. Number 3. Calculate your freedom number so you have a nomadic goal that keeps you disciplined. 4. Learn about flag theory and how to legally pay 0 to less than 3% taxes a year. Simplest, most minimalist, long-term, automated strategy is DCA, dollar cost averaging. You can download a free sample to learn more about this topic. Click the link below. Do all of this and you will enjoy the extraordinary nomad lifestyle. Check out these next videos of the series. Click here, and discover how you can go from digital nomad to extraordinary nomad, how you can upgrade. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, be extraordinary. Click here. You'll love this one.